Sige na.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Miles, can you please lead our prayer?
Amen.
Before you sing, can you please pick up those scattered paper under your seat? Before we start our class, we have here a classroom rules inside our classroom. The first one is listen carefully. When someone is talking in front, you should listen. The second one is follow direction. The third one is raise your hand if you want to recite, to answer. That's right. Raise your right hand if you want to recite. The third one is be kind to others. So, according to my attendance, no one is absent. Now, I will call Teacher Grace to continue.
Who among you can still remember our last topic? Anyone? Yes, Miles? The states of matter, ma'am. Can you give the 3 states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas. Very good. I would like to hear that you can still remember our last topic.
Now class, before we proceed to our next topic, please all stand and let's sing along. Please all stand. Okay? Oh, I have no that can you smell. I have fingers that can touch. They have teeth that really much. I have 2 ears that can hear, and 1 tongue that helps me taste. These are all the senses. These things I should not waste. Hey, very good. Okay, class, what did you observe in the song we sing lately? Anyone? Yes, Miles?
Parts of the body.
Very good. What are the parts of the body mentioned in the song? Yes? Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Ears.
Lip. Yes. Tongue. Ano pa?
Nose po.
Very good.
the shape, tell the colors of the different shapes, then classify the object according to its size. Then group 2, identify the kind of sounds, name the sounds produced by each, with rule it can be loud or soft, high pitch or low pitch, discuss in front of the class. Then group 3, describe the texture of object like chair, towel, then ball pen and shirts. Tapos, group 4, identify the kind of smell, smell the materials, describe the smell of each. Then last group, describe the different types of taste, name the food given, and classify them according to the taste and discuss it. Tapos na ba mga anak? Now, let's discuss in front. Group 1. Yes po. Who wants to help Lenson? Yes, Mike? Please. Para maliit. Tama mo. Eyes. Hindi. Ang eyes na ginagamit natin para manilit. Manilit. Di manilit. That's bad. Mali. Ang mata ay ginagamit natin para makakita ng mga magagandang tanawin. Para dito ginagamit ko pa. Manilit. Ayun ay mali.
Ma'am, we use 5 senses to feel sa pagkain po. Okay, very good.
Bakit ulit ngayon natin?
Ma'am, nasabi po natin ang 5 senses sa pamagitan ng pagkain po. Gamit po ang mata, dila, balat.
Very good, Ethel. Ethel ay nakikinig sa instruction. So, ano nga ba ang pinag-aralan natin? Ngayon? Again, ano nga ulit ang ating pinag-aralan ngayon?
5 senses po.
Five senses. So, ano yung five senses na yun?
Sense of sight, sense of taste, sense of touch. So, para saan naman ang sense of hearing? To hear. Good. How about the sense of touch? Oh, very good. Ngayon, papasa ko na kay teacher. Jan.
Ngayon naman ay maglabas kayo ng malinis na papel at sagutan ang aking inihanda. Gawa. Pagtaba ang mata. Sinang gustong sumagot sa number 1?
Sir,
Yes, kamay pa ito ibasa.
to see the color, shape, size, or movement. Sense of sight po.
Science.
Eyes. Eyes.
Tama ba ang kanyang sagot?